Welcome everyone, today we're drawing a cute cartoon cactus. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of our page, draw two small circles for the eyes. Now I'm going to start with the one on the left, starting from the very top, go all the way around toward the bottom, and then back up. Let's leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, and bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now on the top left side of each eye, we draw a small circle coming in for a highlight. Just line that up on the right. Let's add a smaller circle on the bottom right of each eye. And then we'll fill the inside of the eyes in black. Let's move in between the eyes and across the bottom and draw a straight line going across the top of the mouth. Go back to the left side, draw a half oval, coming down and then back up. Along the top, we're going to add a straight line for the teeth. And then along the bottom, we'll add a curve for the tongue. And we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to draw a straight line going across the top edge of the pot. Starting on the left side, go all the way across towards the right. And it's going to round at the ends, around and then back in, and it'll flatten off the bottom. Let's step in, draw two straight angled lines coming down towards the bottom, and it'll flatten off the bottom of the pot. Let's go up to the top and draw two straight lines going up the side of the cactus. So we'll start with the left. Go straight up to right above there, and line that up on the right side, going up towards the same height. Now I want to round out the top of the cactus, so I'm just going to gradually curve this up and then in towards the middle, go across and then bring that down on the right. Now I'm going to add two bulbs on either side, so we're going to raise the one on the left, starting from the top, go all the way around like an oval, and just tuck that in towards the side. Now I'm going to come down on the right side and do the same thing. Let's add a small flower across the top of the head. We're going to start with a half circle in the middle. On the left side, I'm going to curve this out and just tuck that back in. Now I want to draw a seam coming down in behind each eye. So we're going to start from the top, draw a straight line coming down, continue down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add one angled line going across the center of the bulb on the left, and then one going up on the right. Let's surround the head and the bulbs with some needles. Starting from the left, draw these short lines just extending out past the side, also going around the bulb. Let's finish off by adding some spots across the entire body. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And there's our cute cartoon drawing of a cactus. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.